Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we'll talk about a Forex indicator that now have made me little more than $300. I started because many people they want me to start with a smaller balance. So that's exactly what I have done. I have now built from $100. You can see some of the older videos. It has been a little while since I made this type of videos, by the way. But I have now built the account from $100 to more than $400. That's how good this indicator is. So, if you want this indicator also, you can have it completely for free from me. Just use the link you see up there right now, or you find also below a link below the video. Also make sure you check out my copy service for Forex. I have not done manual trading on this account. These have only been following my indicator, but I share all my manual trade directly in Telegram. Cost only $16 a month, and you get all my manual trading. Okay, so now I will start to show you a little more how we use this indicator, how it works. So now you can see this indicator works on 15 minutes. Okay, so this is basically now the last trade since 4 October till 7 today. Okay, so I will just show you, for example, example of trades. You only take trades on the double, the biggest ball you see here, right? This blue one you see here, that means a buy sale, buy trade. Then you buy on this here, and let's mark it so you can just see what type of profit we're talking about. You would open on this one here, and you would close it when you see, you open here, right? And you close it when you see go from green to red. That means exactly here, so you would have closed your trade here, and you can see that's a winning trade. The same you will do here. You open the trade, that would be in the bottom here, and you would close your trade from from green to red, only when you're above, by the way, above this 70 line. Okay, if you cross any time below, does not matter, you wait till you come in the top. So in that way you would have closed your trade up here, one more winning trade. Then one more buy trade down here, you would open here, and you would close up here. But then at the same time here you would open a short position. Okay, here come my example. You would open here, but you do not close here because you're not below the 30. Okay, so you open one here, you open one more here, and you would close here, you can see, so that is down here. So both these two would be a winning trade, because if you get two trades, you open both of them as long as the another one is a little better. And you can see this trade is a little higher up, so then you open one more, so you get a even better entry, because sometimes that will happen. Okay, so like I said, this would also be a winning trade. Now let's find a losing trade. Here we would open a trade here, and you would close it down here. So that's, of course, that's a losing trade. Okay, but yet again we open here, this one is not valid. We open here, we open one more here, and we close it all the way down here. So a good winning trade again. So you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning trades, because all of them are winning, and you get one losing trade. So you constantly are making money with this robot. You can go back in time, so you see I'm not sweet picking. Of course I'm not sweet picking, because this is basically this week, we can say. Let's go more back. Let's take from what we did not see. Let's take from here. So here you would open a short, and you close here, winning trade. You open here, you close here, winning trade. You open here, you close here, winning trade. Open here, close here, winning trade. Open here, close here, open here, close here, winning trade. Open here, close up here, winning trade. I guess you get the idea now. Open here, close here, winning trade. So you get the idea how good it is. We open here, up here, close down here, open here, close down here, winning trade. Open here, in the line is here, we close down here, winning trade. Open up here, close down here, winning trade. So you see, I can do this all day. Open up here, close down here, winning trade. Let's take one more. Open here, close, let me see, a small winning trade. Sadly that we got this because it would be nice to close down here, but no. So, but you still would be a winning trade. Up here, you close down here, one more winning trade. So you can see, till now we did only find one losing trade, and I did not even count how many winning trades. But I know because I have grown the account with this. It's basically the best indicator for Forex. And I'm not saying that lightly because I have been trying so many robots, so many indicators, so I know what is good when I see it. And this is good. And I'm only trading, so you know, I only trade GBP USD on 15 minutes. I do not trade any other pair, and you don't need to trade any other pair. So keep only to this pair, okay? And 15 minutes. You don't need anything else. So that's it for this video. Like I said, you can have this indicator completely free also. Link below the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I see you on the next. So with that, have an amazing day.